Today I'm going to teach you how to set proofing language in OneNote. This is incredibly useful if you work in multiple languages or need spell check and grammar tools to function in a language other than your default setting. Let's walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait for everything to fully load before moving forward, as this ensures all the features and menus are available to you. Once your notebook has been loaded, we can begin setting the proofing language. Head over to the Review menu, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools are displayed. Click on it, and the Review tools for your OneNote will appear. This is where you'll find all the language and proofing options that control how OneNote checks your spelling and grammar. To set your proofing language, first click on the Language dropdown. You'll initially see Set Proofing Language right away, but before we can use that option, we need to select and install the language you wish to set proofing to. Click on Language Preferences to open the full language settings. On the bottom part of the screen, under the section labeled Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, click on Add a Language. This is where you'll set up a new proofing language for your OneNote. You'll see a list of languages that you can install, so simply browse through and select the one you want to install. Once the new language is added to your list, click on Set as Preferred. This action designates the newly added language as your primary proofing language in OneNote. After you've set it as preferred, your OneNote app will prompt you to restart. This restart is necessary because the new proofing language is being applied across the application. Don't skip this step, as the changes won't take effect until OneNote restarts and loads the new language settings properly. And that's it. You've successfully configured OneNote to use a different proofing language, which means your spell check and grammar tools will now work in the language you've selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.